A big part of creating new business is knowing how to network and get all those contacts out there. Some of us are nervous, some of us think it's fun, and some of us just go by the gut. I've done it for so many years, and I'll give you some of the secrets that I learned that made it more effective. The first thing you want to do when you go out about networking is making sure that you're at the right venue with the right people. I had been to so many events, going about, talking about myself, giving them a business card, doing all the right things, and then one day I realized, oh, when I look around, all the other people in the room here are a 1 or 2 person business, and everybody's looking for leads, everybody's looking for business, but there's no clients. Nobody in this room will buy my service. So make sure that the venue you go to, or the event, or whatever it is a place where your potential customer can be. First thing. Second thing is, when you are meeting that person and you have the conversation, and this is good news if you're nervous, the most important thing is listen. The art of giving pure attentive listening to somebody is like diamonds. It's fluid jewels in the air. It is so rare. If somebody notices that you're actually listening to them, their heart is going to melt. You will be remembered, and you will get to know more about their potential needs, who they are, etc. It's all information you can use. So networking is actually not about talking about yourself at all. It's not about promoting. It's about going there, saying enough for them to just start talking and listen. The third thing you want to know, because when you come home from these events, sometimes you have like lots of business cards that are floating all over. What I do always when I come home is I take out the business card, I write my first 3 thoughts, my first 3 words that come up, so that 3 months later, half a year later, a year later, I can pick out the card and I will have coded in something that makes me remember for myself who this person was.